Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to Jay's Learning School here on the channel. I know it's been some time since I've made a video, but I've had some personal things go on in my life. But I'm back making videos, and thank you so much for your patience. So, on today's quick English lesson, we're going to learn some sight words. I have about 10 sight words that we're going to learn, and I will give you some examples in how to use these words in sentences. Okay. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and you can be around for the videos and lessons that I give 2 to 3 times a week. All right. So let's get into it. Our first one, and again, these are very basic and simple, and we'll build on these over time. Okay. A. A is a very simple, simple sight word. This is a pen. This is a piece of paper. This is a stapler. Okay. So this is my head. This is my finger. Okay. A. All. All. Okay. All of the family is here. All of my hair is gone. Okay. All of my children are tall. Okay. All of the apples that I have are red. So all. Okay. All cheetahs are fast. I have been at home all day long. All. My wife ignored me all night. All right, another one. Am. Am. I am black. Okay. I am tall. Okay. Some other sentences that you could use. I am American. Okay. I am a teacher. I am a Christian. I am right here. Am. Okay. Am. I am a boy. I am a male. Okay. So these are words that you can use am. God said, I am that I am. All right. So these are some great examples. Oh, wow. My phone's ringing. Be all right. And, and. So and is a conjunction word, and you would use and to put things together. Me and my wife. Uh, Socks and shoes. Uh, Peanut butter and jelly. Okay. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Okay. Uh, let's see. Cheese and hamburger. Okay. How would you use some of these words in a sentence? You can leave that down in the comment section. Okay. Thunder and lightning. Batman and Robin. Okay. Let's see. Gas and oil, or you would say oil and water don't mix. All right. And R. Wow, I like R. R. Okay. You are smart. You are speaking English. Are you going to work? Okay. So R is a plural word. Are you lying to me? Okay. Are. Let's see if we can come up with some other creative sentences. You are not sleeping. Okay. There are 50 states in this country. The birds are singing. The dog is, well, let me see. The pets are making noise. So are, okay? Are. Are you listening to me? Okay. At. He is at the store. Okay. At. The water boils at 100 degrees. I go to sleep at 9 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. Okay. What time do you arrive at work? At. Why are you staring at me? Okay. At. A-T. At. Ate is another sight word you need to know. Ate. We ate dinner together. Um, we ate pizza for lunch. I sat down and ate at the table. She ate all of my cookies. Ate. So it would be like a past tense of eat. It's time to eat now. We ate at 6 o'clock. Okay, so it's a past tense of eat. Away. Do not click away from this video. Away. Go away. Uh, the wind came and blew my money away. The cat scared the bird away. All of the children went away to school. So away is like a direction. Put your laptop away. Put your cell phone away. Okay? Be happy. Be cheerful. Be. I want to be a lawyer. I want to be an entrepreneur. Okay? Be. It's used to describe a verb. Okay? I'll be better. Let's see. I don't want to be talked about. I am going to be successful. Okay? I am not going to be a part of this. Be. And our last sight word for the day. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know down in the description how you would use some of these sight words in a sentence. Be is the last, well, the one we just did. Big. I have a big head. The watermelon is big. Let's see here. We got my son a big birthday cake. You have big feet. I do not have a big nose. He has big ears. So big is used to describe the size of something. Okay. That's a big house. That is a big car. Big. Great sight word to use. So I've given you 10 different sight words that you can practice. You can go back and watch this video and get more familiar with these sight words and practice them on a daily basis around the house, because the more you use the words, the more comfortable you will become at speaking these sight words. Okay? Make sure if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. please hit the like button. And if you know someone that could use this video, feel free to share it with them. Thank you so much for watching today's episode, and join me next time on my next video. Have a great day.